Digital transformation is not optional anymore. It's the difference between companies that grow and companies that disappear. Today, many organizations invest heavily in technology, but still fail to achieve real results. Why? Because digital transformation is not about tools, it's about strategy, people, and execution. In this course, you will learn how to lead digital transformation the right way. From understanding the fundamentals, to building a clear strategy, and delivering real business value. You will learn how to build a digital transformation roadmap, step by step, leverage AI, data, and modern technologies, drive organizational and cultural change, measure ROI and business performance, avoid the most common risks and failure factors. This is not theory. This is a practical, real-world playbook. This course is designed for professionals, managers, and leaders who want to move from understanding digital transformation to actually implementing it. If you're ready to lead change, drive innovation, and create real impact in your organization, enroll now and start your digital transformation journey today.